The next part here is reading skills. So in terms of reading comprehensions, in terms of reading efficiencies, in terms of reading effectiveness, which are the factors that increase your reading skills, techniques for improving your reading, or guidelines for effective reading? Then you have PSQFR model and techniques for improving retention. So this becomes important when you are making those research paper and you want to do a literature review, how you are going to get those stuff papers. So what speed are you going to take? You have to make sure that the literature review, or whatever the one that's given to you, that gets completed. So careful reading versus rapid reading versus speaking, scanning, and then you have reading efficiency, retention factors. Effective reading would include your education background, physical capabilities, mental capability, interests, and practice. Techniques for improving reading skills: generally some people talk about active reading, some people talk about appropriate reading type, time schedules, content and spread, eye movement, quick and silent, preview, review, logical or words, just enough to capture words, improvement on capability to understand and align, take notes. So those are things. So while you read these research paper to make that literature review that you are planning, you need to define purpose, you need clarity about environment, identity of the reading channel, control interference, getting ready with words and non-word symbols, and evaluate critically. Now there is something called the PSQFIR, which means the purpose, survey, question. 5R stands for read selectively, recite, record, reflect, and review. So that's the PSQFIR model. It's a kind of a reading technique where you do some effective reading. So then many of the times you tend to forget things, so using memory at deciding priority of retention. Because you have so many things in the research world that you cannot really go ahead and read everything. So you need to be realistic, and we'll talk about some of the learnings that we have on the reading skills for research, especially pertinent to getting those goals done. Then your reading comprehension, big reading comprehension, your average reading, skimming, and what makes it better. So that would be your fourth learning here in the internship.